Hello guys, welcome once again. So in this video we'll be creating one new row here, just like Bootstrap. We'll be creating one new row here on the left hand side of the row, and inside the row we'll be creating two more columns. On the left hand side of the column we'll be displaying the prices, and on the right hand side of the column we'll be displaying the add to cart button. Okay, so for that I will simply create a row, and inside the row I will be creating children's, and inside the children there will be two columns, and this is the left column and the second one will be the right column. And we will also use, okay, so let us write something here, column and then text, sorry, children, and here we'll be writing text, and the name of the text is regular price, and the second will be the sales price. Okay, let us save it, continue. Okay, so we should also use this comma here, and here we can see regular price and sales price. And on the right hand side we will also create one children, and inside the children we will be creating one elevated button. And here the child will be add to cart, add to cart. So here is the add to cart button, but here we can see there is no gap in between the left column and the right column. So here main axis alignment and then space around alignment. Okay, so now I can see the regular price is on the left hand side, and the sales price is also in the left hand side, and add to cart is on the right hand side. So we will also decorate the text style of regular price. Okay, we can definitely show it rupees dollar regular price, product regular price is rupees 1200, and our sales price is product sales price, which is rupees 99 rupees. And we will also give some decoration style, text style, and font size will be 20. No, it's not looking nice, 16. So in this video I am not focusing mainly on the UI, because I am purely focusing on the functionality of this website or the app. How can we convert, or how can we make our PHP web application or PHP application and build the Flutter app for it, or how can we make the API, how can we make the backend with PHP and the front end with Flutter. Font style, we have already used font size, and we will be using the color. And regular price, we will do it as colors red, and we will also use the color as green for the sales price color, and it will be green, colors green. Okay, and let us also use one cross sign or one stroke. For that we will be writing decoration and line throw. So now I can see that the regular price is being shown as destroyed, or maybe with one stroke, and then we can see the sales price. Now we have to build the function of this add to cart. Okay, so in the next video we'll be building the function of this add to cart. And if you want to decorate this add to cart button, then in that case we can use decoration here. So for that, just write style over here, and then elevated button dot style from, and here let us write primary and colors, colors from like primary colors dot green, and instead of green let us use pink color, pink accent, the default theme which we have used here. And then what else can we do? Pink accent, just a minute. Yeah, it is showing. Next we can adjust the border of this button, elevation 10, then shape, rounded border, rectangle border, and border radius dot maybe circular and 10, or we can also give 20. Okay, and elevation I think 5 is good. Okay, so we have completed designing the interface of the app. In the okay, we can also do one more thing. In the top we'll give the padding of 20 so that the description 20 or 30 so that the description goes down. So in the next video, once we click on this button, we will redirect the user to the cart button. We will show the details of the product in the cart, and he will be able to check out or he will be able to purchase this product from this application, and the product detail will be entered into the database, and we can see that the product details directly on the admin panel of this application. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more updates.